Welcome to this episode of Mindpoint Summit. In today's tutorial, we'll be going into Maya and setting our scale to inches. You can also set your scale to millimeters or feet. So it's pretty simple, and all what we'll need to do is go over here to Windows, Settings and Preferences, hit Preferences, and then once this is open, you hit Settings, and then you go to Working Units and set this to inch. It'll automatically change, just hit save. There you go. Now you can also do the same thing if you went into that menu, go to preferences, settings again, and you also have meters, foot, and yards. Thank you for watching this episode of Mindpoint Summit. If this tutorial helped you, please be sure to leave a like and comment letting me know it worked. And if you want to continue watching more content like this, please be sure to hit subscribe. Other than that, continue learning and have a nice day.